Hey there Safari fam, welcome back to Lens Through Africa and welcome back to the Southern African Bird Calls Challenge. This is challenge number 5. If you've been playing along from the start, you know the rules. You're welcome to pause the video or rewind if you want to listen to a call again, but no checking your bird apps for any audio identification. Speaking of bird apps, this challenge series was made in partnership with Newman's Birds of Southern Africa. If this is your first time coming across this challenge series, go back to the Lens Through Africa channel homepage. Click on challenge number 1 to play right from the beginning. Try and guess the 15 bird calls without the help of the bird app and share with everyone in the comments below your score out of 15 for this video and 75 for the entire challenge so far. Don't forget to keep a piece of paper handy and a pen to write down your guesses. Right, here we go. The 15 calls are about to start. Here goes the 5 easy calls. I sincerely hope that you enjoyed that as much as I did. Right, here's the answers. Let's see how you did. Easy 1, Hammerkop. Easy 2, Cape Robin Chat. Easy 3, Dark Capped Bulbul. Easy 4, Greater Honey Guide. Easy 5, Southern Ground Hornbill. Medium 1, Cardinal Woodpecker. Medium 2, White-bellied Sunbird. Medium 3, Black-crowned Chagra. Medium 4, Great Sparrow. And medium 5, Southern Masked Weaver. Hard 1, Red-faced Cisticola. Hard 2, Purple Indigo Bird. Hard 3, African Openbill. Hard 4, African woolly-necked stork. And hard 5, African cuckoo. Did you know the southern ground hornbill with its distinctive call can be heard up to 4 kilometers away, although they're listed as vulnerable across their range? In South Africa, they have been listed as endangered, with only 1,500 individuals left in the wild. Males and females can be told apart by the males having a solely red wattle below their neck, and the females having a violet blue patch on their throat. And just like that, challenge number 5 comes to an end. I hope you thoroughly enjoyed that as much as I did. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to get notified whenever I post the next challenge. See you for challenge number 6. Take care.